Hey Fit friends, it's me, Joy Francis of joyfitworld.com, coming to you with another video. Today we are going to work on some variations of plank other than the plank hold. Now you all know the plank hold where you hold for a couple of seconds for as long as you can, you keep your stomach stiff. Right, we're not going to do that. I'm going to show you some variations that would make it more dynamic in some ways and also help you build a stronger core. So grab your mat and let's go. Now before we jump into that, guess what? If this is your first time here on the channel, go ahead and hit subscribe. If you like the video, hit like. If you don't like it, thumbs down. No hard feelings, but I would love to hear from you in the comments if you like the video or not. Say hi in the comments. All right, so plank variations, you're just going to do a few variations. We are holding the plank, but we're going to be moving a little bit just to really engage the core a little bit more. So we're going to start off with high plank. All right, both hands on the ground, palms flat. All right, elbows, shoulders, and wrists in line. And we're starting off here. Now, toes, everything nice and straight. All right, head, neck, back, all the way down to the heels should be in a straight line. And we're gonna just tap side to side, tapping the shoulders. All right, you wanna breathe because this is gonna be difficult. Tapping side to side. You're trying not to move the body too much, so you're keeping that core nice and tight. And two more. And knees down, go into child's pose, rest. All right, now you want to do, you can do 20 seconds on of this, 10 seconds rest, 30 seconds, how much ever you can do. All right, if you could only do 10, hey, do that, do 10. If you could only do 5, do 5. All right, just gonna show you 2 more variations and that you can do, because this last quarter I'm teaching you guys how to build a strong core. The core is your foundation. If you don't have a strong core, you can get things like knee, back pain, hip issues. There's a lot of stuff that comes with not having a very strong core. Now, a strong core doesn't mean you have a six-pack. All right, superficial abs showing is like, oh, core strong. Doesn't necessarily mean that. All right, a lot of people think, well, you have a six-pack, the core strong. All right, that's not the truth. Building the core is literally everything here, all around. All right, and not just the front. All right, next one. We're gonna go into high plank again. Remember, elbows, shoulders, and wrists in line. From here, all right, you're gonna go down to the knees and go into low plank. Low plank. Right here, you're gonna hold the low plank, and we're just gonna do legs open and close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knees down. Child's pose. Stretch it out. These are more difficult than it seems. It might seem easy. That's why I'm only showing you 3. All right. Start off with 3. Wake up in the morning. You get them done. You do 10 reps. I am okay with that. If that's all you can do that. All right, but guess what? In order to build a stronger core, you have to start somewhere, and we're starting here. Now, last move, we're in high plank. Now this one is a little bit harder. All right, so take your time. We're starting off in high plank, and then we're gonna go up, down, high plank, low plank. All right, high plank. Elbow, shoulders, and wrist in line, and you go down. Whichever hand you go down with, remember, come up with that hand, so that way you have even amounts. All right, let's try to get 3 on each arm. Go down with the left and come up with the left. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. Other side. Go down with the right. 1. And remember to breathe. 2. 3. Knees down. Child's pose. Breathe. Come back up. Wow. I only did a couple of those, and already I'm feeling it in my core. So can you imagine you do 10 reps of each of these? The first one we did the high plank with the shoulder taps. The second one we did the low plank, the leg side to side, and then the third plank up and down. I'm literally trying to catch my breath here in talking to you. These are the 3 we're gonna work on today. Hey, press play anytime and do it over and over again until you start to feel your core feeling stronger and stronger. And how are you gonna know? You're able to do more. You're able to do more than 5. All right? You're able to do more than 10. You're able to hold it a little bit longer. Remember, form is everything. Tight core, everything nice and straight in a line. All right? You don't want to drop the hips in. You don't want to be doing those things. All right? I prefer you not to do it if you feel like you can't get the form right. Practice just going up in the form, getting into the plank like this. If you just need to practice holding it here for 2 seconds, then coming down. Holding it here for 2 seconds. If you just need to practice that, do that first. All right? I don't want you to be injuring yourself. It's very easy, people, to get injured doing the wrong form of the wrong form in doing an exercise or movement. So guys, with that, I hope you like this video. If you don't like it, let me know. But I want to know in the comments, hey, you're gonna try it, you're not gonna try it. Maybe you tried these before. Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Till the next video, peace, love, and fitness.